nobody had as bad a day as a man in Illinois. That's because a judge sentenced him to at least 21 days and as much as 6 months in jail for, get this, yawning. Clifton Williams stretched and yawned while his cousin was sentenced for a drug charge. A prosecutor called the yawn, quote, loud and boisterous. The judge agreed and found Williams to be in contempt of court. So what do you think? Did we get the list right today? Know someone who had a worse day? Sound off about it at myfoxphilly.com. And if you had a bad day, remember, there's always tomorrow.